What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Schwind Outdoors. So tomorrow I am going to a new spot that I've never fished before, and I am super excited about it. I'm meeting a buddy bright and early at 6 a.m. The plan is he's going to tow me in his kayak. He said it's about 1.5 miles to a 2-mile tow to this spot that he's talking about. So I'm super excited to check it out. He has lots of good things to say about this spot. So for the trip, I went to the tackle store today and I bought some of these down south lures. I'm sure most of you have heard of them before. I've used them a few times and I've actually had a lot of luck with them. I really like them. I got 3 different colors. Tomorrow I think the water is going to be pretty dark, so I picked up a dark color. I got this red shad. I think it'll probably be pretty visible in a really dark colored water, in the muddy water. So we'll see how it goes. Then I got the Old Faithful. I just got a Chicken of the Sea. That one's always worked really well for me in the past. And then I got a Bone Diamond color. I've never used this color before, but I've heard lots of good things about it. I know lots of people that love this color. And to be honest, the guy at the tackle shop told me that he recently had a lot of luck with this and encouraged me to buy a pack, so I got one. The other thing that I got was a package, or a couple of packages, of these down south jig heads. These are the 1/4 ounce jig heads. I really like the way that these soft plastics fit on there. I thought about bringing the fly rod, and I'd really like to, but I think tomorrow it's going to be about checking out the new spot, exploring it, and learning how to fish it, and then kind of getting these down south lures dialed in a little bit more. I'll check it out, and maybe I'll bring the fly rod back later on. So this is the first time you're seeing my kayak. I've got a Jackson Coosa HD. I really like it, but really what I want to show you is this camera mount that I rigged up today. So what I've got here is I've got a 1.5 inch PVC pipe zip tied to my fishing crate. Okay, and then I took a 1.5 inch to a 2 inch coupling with a 2 inch PVC, and then inside the 2 inch PVC is this pipe insulation. And you can't see my camera rig, but what I've got is a DJI Osmo Pocket, and it's on this bracket system that holds the camera and my phone and a microphone and then a little handle, and the handle actually expands out to a tripod. But anyways, the handle is about a 1 inch diameter handle, and it fits inside of this pipe insulation really well. So the view that we should have tomorrow should look something like this. So we're gonna get up bright and early in the morning and go meet my buddy and go see if we can catch some redfish or trout or flounder or whatever. Hey, that's a nice trout. Heck yeah. That's a good way to start the morning. Oh, that is awesome. That's a really good fish. Awesome, man. Look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous red. Very cool. He doesn't want to give up.